many times that I want to buy this one, because I bought the house a couple years ago and there is a mess of electric wire downstairs and no one is attached to the ceiling, so I won't fix, but you know, with the hammer and the little clips take forever to do that one. So now that I can, I bought. There are not many review on YouTube of this gun, but I hope so that gonna work. Oh, this is nice. I never seen with the dewalt. Voila. So this is the kit, manual. This is so useless. Buy the first charge. This one is 2 ampere battery, really light. This is the gun. It's heavy, but better than hammer. This one, let's go here. Ready to test. I'm not an electrician, but I don't think so that this one is normal. As usually we use this one with the hammer. To do like this one. And now we try with the gun. Okay, I cannot think so they can fit everywhere this gun, but that's it. It's really fast. Put the cable inside this space. Like this one. Attached. Oh, it's so fast. In less than 2 hours I fix all my basement. If I recommended this one, yes, because with the hammer and the staples take forever to do, and it's really long process. With this one, you still need the hammer, because sometimes it's not going all through the wood, so if you want fix, you have to hammer. Maybe I use it then also 2 staples for all basement. And did you see how it's bad? You know, I cannot imagine what an electrician, how many times he can save, but also for do yourself is worth 250 with the battery. The battery is still full, is full. I put couple hundred staples I shot. Okay, thank you for watching. See you.